Okay, coming to the next question. Cos inverse of 12 by 13 plus sin inverse of 3 by 5 is equals to sin inverse of 56 by uh, 65 required to show it is. Then same way you consider x is equals to cos inverse of 12 by 13, y is equals to sin inverse 3 by 5, and consider cos inverse, it will become cos inverse will become cos x is equals to 12 by 13. Then adjacent side is 12, hypotenuse is 13, and opposite side is 5. Then it is given in terms of sin inverse, then take here sin x value also. Sin x will become 5 by 13. Coming to the next case here, sin y is equals to 3 by 5. Then opposite is 3, hypotenuse is 5, and adjacent side is 4. Then what you will write, cos y here, cos y is equals to 4 by 5. Then write it is x and y, x plus y, then make it a size sine of x plus y. Finding of the value sine of x plus y is equals to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Then sin x is equals to 5 by 13, so 5 by 13, and cos y is equals to 4 by 5 plus cos x is equals to 12 by 13, and sin y is equals to 3 by 5. So write all of them, and LCM will be 65, 5 into 4 20 plus 12 into 3 36, 20 plus 36 will become 56 by 65. Then sin of x plus y is equals to 56 by 65. This implies x plus y is equals to sin inverse of 56 by 65. This implies cos inverse of 12 by 13 plus sin inverse of 3 by 5 is equals to sin inverse of 56 by 65. This is the answer. Finding of the x for this particular question, cot inverse of square root of 1 plus x, 1 plus sin x plus square root of 1 minus sin x by square root of 1 plus sin x minus square root of 1 minus sin x is equals to x by 2. And finding of x value here, consider the middle one, this total middle one I am considering, and it is already there as a irrational term, then multiply directly making as irrational free in the denominator. So square root of 1 plus sin x plus square root of 1 minus sin x by square root of 1 plus sin x minus square root of 1 minus sin x, making rationalizing with this term. So rationalizing the denominator, multiply with plus 1 plus sin x plus square root of 1 minus sin x by square root of 1 plus sin x plus square root of 1 minus sin x, and a plus b into a plus b whole square, then a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 square root of 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x will become 1 minus sin square x by a minus b plus a minus b into a plus b, so it's nothing but a square minus b square, so a square is 1 plus sin x minus 1 minus sin x. So sin x and sin x will getting cancels, 1 plus 1 2, 2 2 plus 2 square root of 1 minus sin square is nothing but cos square will become cos x by, and minus 1 plus 1, so minus 1 plus 1 getting cancels, minus into minus plus sin x plus tan x, 2 sin x, cancel all the 2's, so it will become 1 plus cos x by sin x. Then what you will write this 1 plus cos x form, cos x 1 plus cos x can be written as 2 cos square x by 2 divided by sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 2 and 2 getting cancels. Cos and cos will cancel. Cos x by 2 by sin x by 2 is equals to cot x by 2, and this is nothing but this is the inner value. And okay, sorry, this is also going to be show that question only. And cot inverse of so and so particular 1 plus sin x plus 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin x minus square root of 1 minus sin x. It is nothing but cot inverse of this particular value is cot x by 2. Cot and cot inverse will cancel. This value will become x by 2. So that is a desired value as x by 2 here. Coming to the next question. Tan inverse of square root of 1 plus x minus square root of 1 minus x by square root of 1 plus x plus square root of 1 minus x, and getting the value as pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos inverse of x, and so particular regions are given. Minus 1 by square root of 2 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 1, and 1 plus x 1 minus x is given. And how to make this irrational free? You put x is equals to cos 2 theta, sum 2 theta, then 1 plus x will become 1 plus cos 2 theta. It is nothing but 2 cos square theta, nothing but root 2 cos theta. Then coming to the next, 1 minus sin 1 minus x 1 minus cos 2 theta is equals to 2 sin square theta. It is nothing but root 2 sin theta. Then substitute all of them here. 1 plus square root of 1 plus x is nothing but root 2 cos x. 1 minus sin x is nothing but root 2 sin x. So this way we will write all of them. So take inner value. So this particular value can be written as square root of 1 plus x is nothing but root 2 cos theta. So here it is root 2 cos theta minus square root of 1 minus x is nothing but root 2 sin theta, and divide by root 2 cos theta plus root 2 sin theta. All these roots will be cancelled. Then it can be taken as cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta. Then take cos theta common, so it is nothing but 1 minus tan theta by, taking cos theta common here, 1 plus tan theta, cos and cos will cancel, 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. It can be written as tan of pi by 4 minus theta. So this is your value, tan of pi by 4 minus theta, and tan inverse of total given value 1 plus x minus 1 minus x by square root of 1 plus x plus square root of 1 minus x is equals to tan inverse of tan pi by 4 minus theta. So tan inverse and tan gets cancelled, so it will become pi by 4 minus theta. So here you are getting the value pi by 4 minus theta, pi by 4 minus theta, by 4 minus theta. Then what you are already having, x is equals to cos 2 theta. Then is nothing but cos inverse x is equals to 2 theta. Then theta can be written as 1 by 2 cos inverse x. So in place of theta you make it as pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos inverse x. This is your value, and given domain is minus 1 by root 2 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 1. So this is the value.